Welcome to the Courtyards at Hodges Farm. Today we are having the groundbreaking for our very first model home, the Portico Bonus. It's going to be a great 141 homes here in Hodges Farm.
My wife Kathy and myself have been searching for a new community and a new home. We're actually signing the paperwork today for that and get in the queue to have our new home built.
One of the big things that sets us apart is our focus on having a low maintenance for our customers.
They really cater to their customers' needs, and the fact that they've chosen a product by James Hardy just speaks to how much Epcon cares about the quality of the products.
What draws people to Epcon is we really are a unicorn in this market. We have the private courtyards, the luxury ranch, and specifically this community, it has 5 streams that goes through this community. The trees are protected. We have beautiful lots and all of the private courtyards that have a wooded view. And it allows people to age in place. You get to do more of what you love and let us do all the work.
I guess once you actually go through one of the models and you see the fit and the finish, and I'm a stickler for details, and I figure if a builder doesn't get it right in the details, what did they miss on the big things? And Epcon it builds a quality home, and I think it's probably the top of the line.
1, 2, 3.